It's late summer, and my garden is bursting with tomatoes. This is wonderful, but it's also been difficult to find the canning supplies I need to preserve all my produce. And that's okay. There are alternative recipes and ways to hold on to the things that you get from your garden. In my case, I found an easy tomato recipe for sauce that I can use on pizzas, in pastas, you can spread it on toast. There are all kinds of ways I can use it, but best of all, once I'm done cooking it down, I can put it in my freezer and bring it out later for a dish that I want maybe in the fall. Let's get started. When freezing your tomato sauce, make sure you use a freezer-safe container, leave headspace, and it is best consumed within 3 to 4 months. So there you have it, a simple tomato sauce you can freeze for later or enjoy right now.